morning children. So we started our new chapter playing with the numbers, third chapter. So in the chapter already we finished that. So what are the prime numbers, what are the composite numbers, what are factors, what are multiples, then what are the rules for the divisibility for test. So divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 6, 8. So these are all the tests we learned in the last session. So by using these rules we done the 3.3 exercise. Okay children. So today class we are going to talk about the new topic, common factors and common multiples. So what are the factors? The factor is a number. It is divided exactly by other number. So for example 4. I am telling 4 is a factor for 8. 4 is a factor for 8. Why? 8, this 4 is, it is divisible by 8 exactly. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8 means you will get the remainder 0. So that 4 is called a factor for 8. 4 is called a factor for 8. The factor is a number. It divides other number exactly. Exactly means what? You will get the remainder 0. So this is what already you learned. You know that what is factor. So like that what is multiple also you know. What is the multiples? Multiples means what? For example, what are the multiples of 9 means? You can write that 9 is one multiple, 18 is another multiple, 27 is another multiple, 36 is another multiple, 45. So it will be going on and so on and so on. 9 has infinite number of multiples. This also already you know that. So what are multiples? What are factors? Already you learned. So but today's topic we are going to learn about that common factors, common multiples. This is very basic thing for finding the LCM between two numbers or three numbers, like that HCF between two numbers. So this is a very first basic thing. So you want to understand what do you mean by common factors and common multiples. Common means what? Common means what? If you are comparing any two things means you should find out that that will come in the both the things. That is called a common. It means common means what? It has to come in the both. So for example, common factors. Today's topic is common factors and the common multiples. Correct children? Now we are going to write the common factors between the two numbers. What are the common factors between? For example, the factors of 4 and 18. What are the common factors between 4 and 18? So example, what are the factors for 4? What are the factors for 4? 1, 2, 4. These are all the factors for 4, correct? So what are the factors for 18? It will go in the one table, it will go in the two tables. 2 9s are 18, so 9 is one more factor, and 3 6 are 18. So 18 ones are 18. You know already, as you all know already, 1 and the number itself has the compulsory factor for the given number. So 4 has only 3 factors. 18 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factors are there. You want to find the common factors between these two factors. So here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there. Here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. But here 4 is there, here 4 is not there. So common factors between 4 and 18 means the common factors are 1, 2. So what are the common factors between 4 and 18 means 1, 2. Understood children? Okay. So in this way you want to find out the factors. Okay, one more example I will do. Find the common factors of 9 and 15. 9 and 15. One more example I will do. Example number 2. You want to find the common factors between 9 and 15. Okay, what are the factors for 9 children? 1, 3 and 9, correct? It will go in the 1 table, 1 9s are 9. It will go in the 3 tables, 3 3s are 9. It will go in the 9 tables, 9 1s are 9, correct? Like that, 15. What are the factors for 15? It will go in the 1 table, it will go in the 5 table, it will go in the 3 tables. That's all. It will go in the 15 table. 1 5s are 1 15s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15. So these are all. So what are the common factors? 1, 3. That's all you can find. So what are the common factors between these two means? The common factors are 1, 3. Okay, do you observe one thing children? 1 is a factor for every number. 1 is a common factor. 1 is a common factor for every number. Understood children? 1 is a common factor for every number. Okay. The next one is that 7 and 16. 7 and 16 you take children. I am going to write that common factors for 7 and 16. Two numbers having only one as common factor are called the co-prime numbers. 4 and 15 are. So now I am taking the one more example, 4 and 15. I am going to write the factors for 4, 1, 2, 4. Correct? Like that. For 15, what are the factors for 15? 1, 5, 3, 15. So you are going to take and write the common factors. Common factor you are going to write means, so you will get one only the common factor. You can't find that any other number as a common factor. Understood? 4 as 1, 2, 4. 15 as 1, 5, 3, 15. So these 4 numbers are the factors for 15. We are not going to write the common factors. So you will get one only the common factor. Okay. So now what do you call these two numbers? What do you call these two numbers? No. So in between these two numbers, you will get that common factor number 1 only. So two numbers having the common factor 1 means that those two numbers are called co-prime numbers. So what do you call that? 4, 15 are called 4, 15. You want to write in the bracket. 4, 15 are called co-prime numbers because between these two factors you will get the common factor 1. So that they are called the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means what? Co-prime numbers means the numbers having the common factors 1. Understood children? So this is the way. Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So 4, 15. Like this you can try and find that any other pair of the numbers of co-prime numbers you want to try children. Okay. What are the multiples of 4 and 6? Find the common multiples. Find the common multiples of 3 and 5. 3, 5, 6. Okay. Common multiples of 3, 5, 6 are. Listen. Now I am going to write the common multiple children. So did you all understand what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means having the common factor 1 only. Okay. Common multiples. So I am going to write the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. 3, 5 and 6. Okay. What are the multiples of 3? So multiples you can't count children. You already know now. As you all know that the number has infinite number of multiples. Unlimited. We can't define only. So many multiples you can write. So I am writing few multiples. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 24. So like this you can write. Like that. What are the factors for 5? Factors for 5, multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 is going on. So like this, here also write children 27, 30, 33 is going on. Okay. Now come to write the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 is going on. Okay, multiples cannot have the final, it can be going on. Okay, now we are going to find out the common multiples. Common multiple means it has to come in a 3 also. So 3 won't come, here it won't come. So here 6 is there, here 6 is there, but here there is no 6. So you can't take like that. So here 9 is there, here 12 is there, here 12 is there, you can't take. Here 15 is there, here 15 is there, but here in the 6 tables 15 is not there. You can't take like this. Common multiples means it has to come into all those 3. So 18 will not take, 20. So you can take only the 30, the common 30, here also 30. So here also 30. So next one what you can take, 30 next you can take the 60, because 3 tables 60 will come. What will come that 23s or 60 will come if you write means. So 60 you can get, here 60 is there, in 6 tables also you can write that 6 tens are 60. So 3 tables it can come 60, because 3 20s are you will get the 60. So one more common multiple what you will get means 30. So what you can write means common multiples 30, 60. Here common multiples also, it will not stop, it will be going on. Understood children? Listen, ma'am, we want to write like that. Multiples can't you write children? So many numbers you can write. It is not defined, it is not a finite set, it is an infinite set. It will be going on like that only. You can't complete, you can't stop. So another method they are going to introduce to write the common multiples and common factors. That is a prime factorization method we are going to learn children. So this is called the listing the factors method. List out. We are listing the factors. We are listing the multiples. So what are such a small number they give means you can be able to write. You think in this place they given the 14 or 17 or 20 means can you able to write the multiples? So many multiples. How can you write? How can you take the common multiples? So such a big numbers they given means the another method is that is a one more new method, prime factorization method children. So this is called the list out the method. This is a listing factors method, listing multiples method. So now you understood children how to write the factors and multiples. Okay, shall I start that 3.4 exercise? The first way I am going to start the 3.4 exercise. In the first way, find the common factors of. Find the common factors of. The first way, find the common factors of. Common factors of. The A question they given that 20 and 28. First 20 you want to write the factors. Factors of 20. So when you are writing the factors of 20 means you want to write that like this. Factors of 20 equal to, so you know already one is the factor for every number. Then 20 is an even number, you can write it 2. 2 tens are 20. Then 4 5s are 20. 4 and 5 are. So when you are writing that means 20, which all the tables will come, you think and write children. 1, 2, 10, 4, 5. And next one, 20 will come in the 20 tables. So these are all the factors for 20. Okay, now the next is the factors for 28. Factors of 28. 28, the 1 is the factor for every number. 28 is the even number. So 2 must be the factor. So then 2 means you have to think 2 how many times 28? 2 14s are. So 14 is also a one more factor. Then you have to think any of the tables will come 7 4s are 28. So 7 and 4s are. The next one 2 14, 7 4s are. Then any of the table will come? No. So 28 tables will come. 28 ones are 28. Okay, now you want to take and write the Common factors. Common means you want to circle like this. You take the pencil and circle, children. 1 and 1. So 2 and 2. Then 4 and 4. So that's all only. Any other common factors are there? No. So 5, 7 and all no common. So you will take and write the next step. Therefore, common factors equal to 1, 2, 4. So these are all the common factors. Understood, children? This is the classwork you want to write, children. Okay? Okay. The same main only. One more sum I will do and show. The next question is the C1 I am going to do, otherwise D1, 56 and 120. So D1, 56 and 120 you are going to write the common factors. Okay, 56. Factors for what you want to write? Factors. Factors of 56. So 1 is the common factors for every number. So 56 means 2 tables, 228s are. 228s are. The next, what will come? 7 8s are 56. The next, 56, 14 4s are I think. 4 10s are 40, 4 4s are 16. 4 14s are. 4 times will go in the 14 tables. Then 56. That's all, children. 156, 2 28s are. So 7 8s are. 4 14s are. Okay. Factors of 120. Factors of 120 means you know already. 1 is the factor and 2. 2 into 60. Then 120 what will come? 3 4s are 12. No. So 3 40s are. 3 40s are. Like this. 4 30s are. 4 3s are 12. No. 4 30s are. The next what will come? 180 means 120 means 2 60s are. 3 4s are 12. 120. 4 3s are 12. The next 6 2s are. Yeah. 6 into 20s are. 6 20s are. 2 60 is different. 6 20 is different. Okay. The next any the table will go. 8 tables will go. 1 8s are 8 means 4. Yeah. 8 tables will go. How many times will go? 120. If you divide by 8 means 1 8s are 8, 4, carry down this 0 means 5. So 15 8s are. You want to write like this. You came to 6th standard, you try to write the factors for. You should not leave any one factor also because that should be the common factor means again problem. So these many factors I got for the 120. 1, 2, 60, 3, 40, 430, 620, 15 8. So any other number is there? 15 8s are, 8 15s are also the same one. Okay, now we want to circle the common factors. So common factors 1 1 is a common factor and 2 2. The next 8 8. The next 4 4. Any there is there? 6 is there. 14 56 means which table will go? That's all only. 7 8s are 56. 6 tables will not come. So 14 4s are only will come. Okay, children. Any the tables are there? No. So now you want to write the common factors. Common factors 1, 2, 8, 4. That's all. These are all the common factors. Okay, this is also a little bit big number 21. It's very difficult to write the factors. You are not supposed to leave one factor also, children. Like this you want to write. Okay. Now the first main over. The second main also the same type only. You want to write the common factors. The third one is the find the first 3 common multiples they are asking to write. Okay. Next class we can discuss the next 3 questions, children. So please go through this common factors 3.4 exercise. The first main I completed. So second main is the same pattern only. Third main is they ask you to write the common multiples. Thank you children. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಯ್ತು.